Hi everyone, welcome back to MomovalltradesDIY, and today's video is going to be a fun project. I'm going to make two projects for DIY challenge, and this video is a part of a collaboration which I will talk about later. But here you see that I cut out heart shapes and I'm going to wrap them around with three different yard colors. So you see that I'm trying to tape it in the middle with the yarn, so I keep it secure and it does not move when I wrap it around. So I'm trying not to focus on just one side of the heart. It has to be even out to all different directions, so to keep the heart shape alive. So this is how I do it. So now moving on to my third heart, and here I am done wrapping around my hearts with the yarn, and to secure it I'm using a glue gun so it does not move and the thread does not go anywhere. And this is a laser cut sign that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm trying to paint it, like make it look white with my white marker. I think these laser cut signs from Dollar Tree, they are the cutest. And Be Mine is a perfect for my Valentine project. So I'm using Be Mine and painting it with my white marker. I also wanted to add these cute little foam heart stickers to my yarn hearts, and I think that they look so cute on the top of another heart. And just like that, I'm adding this light pink color on the white and then Be Mine on my red heart. So now I'm gonna go ahead and tie my rope on the dowel, so I can hang all three hearts to make it a wall decor. I'm going to put this cutest ribbon on the dowel, and these ribbons, this ribbon actually I got from Dollar Tree last year, and I think it's the cutest and very simple yet so elegant, and this is perfect for my today's DIY, and I think it's gonna look so nice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna tie it too much because I still want them to keep moving, where I can adjust the balance of the heart, so I doesn't want it to fall at one side more than the other. So I'm gonna be using these wooden beads on the side of my dowel. Oh my god, one fell down, but my daughter told me not to edit that part because she thinks it's funny, so I'm just keeping that part. And after putting these beads on the side of the dowel, I'm gonna put the yarn hearts on the ribbon. So if you're trying this DIY, just make sure whenever you put the glue gun on the top of the ribbon. Make sure it's you're gluing the top part of the heart on the ribbon, because when I put the middle part, it started dangling, so I had to go back and starting gluing it on the top so it just stay and do not move from its place. So here you see the final look of my wall decor. You can also gift it to somebody, and you can also use it for your own home. And I think it turned out so cute. Let me know, would you like to try this DIY, or what do you think about this DIY? Alright guys, let's move on to our next DIY. It's going to be a door decor for Valentine's, and as you see, these pom-pom hearts I've already made. I am also going to make a short video on my YouTube channel where you can see how I turn those pom-pom into hearts. To make this DIY, I need some beads, yarn, and a needle. As you see that I am going to thread the needle and pulling everything through it. So the order that I made to make this DIY is first comes the heart, and then comes the beads, and then I'll add the second heart, and then add the beads and the third heart. And on the top of the DIY, I will make a spool, a big spool, where I can hang it either on the nail on the wall, or I can hang it on the door. So you can do either way as you want. To finish off this DIY, I'm making a knot on the top so nothing moves from its place, and I'm also adding another bead so I can cover the knot on the top. As I mentioned earlier, that this video is a part of a challenge. It's a Tree Valentine's Day DIY, which is hosted by Crafting in Mimi's World, DIY from House to Home, and Crafting My Best Life with Lisa. After watching my video, do not forget to check the link below. It's our playlist where you will get to see a lots of amazing DIYs for this challenge. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you in the next video. Take care.